How to clean a glass stove top. First, remove all the food that's on there that you can actually see that are able to remove, and then you can go from there. So the things that I'm going to use today are the Dawn soap spray, and then I'm going to use the Scrub Daddy sponge, and something that I just got to start with. I've never used it. For the first time I'm gonna use is the pink stuff paste, and let's see if I can clean my stove. I've been putting it off for a while. So that's my cleaner, the Dawn spray. This thing cleans pretty much everything, not only for the dish. You can use it to clean pretty much everything. So I'm going to spray. I know it looks like a lot, but you can spray on this and let it sit for like 30 minutes or more if you want to do that. But I'm doing this, I think I left it on for 20 minutes. And after that, the Scrub Daddy. I love this sponge. I upgraded to this sponge couple months ago, and I'm loving it. So yes, just scrub that after putting the foam or the cleanser, the Dawn. You can actually use the other Dawn soap, but I like the spray better. So clean all that. And usually I do a lot of cooking. My name is Therese, and on this channel I do a lot of cooking, African food. So all the grease and all the oil. So I tend to put that right on my stove instead of like the oven or those cookers. So the Scrub Daddy works really well. So after cleaning all that, you can go ahead and get a washcloth. I used a lot of microfiber washcloth. That's what I'm using. We just water and rinse it out and just clean like that. I'm starting up there on the stove because it get dirty too with the oil when you're cleaning, when you're cooking. Sorry, when you're cooking, it get really dirty. So make sure you clean that. Sometimes I do take those little knobs out, but not today. Today I wanted to focus more on the stove top, getting all that stuff. Yeah, so my name is Therese. Like I say, I do cleaning, cooking, African food mainly. I do weight loss videos, so check it out after watching this video. I have already some cleaning videos, and I usually clean, but not cleaning this tape. So after cleaning all that, taking it out, I'm just trying to see if my stovetop was really dirty, so I see if it cleans. So after that, I rinse it out and just clean it. Now I'm gonna use this paste, the pink stuff. This is my first time using it, like I said, so I'm gonna try and see if it's gonna help my stovetop, my glass stovetop. So I just apply all that paste on there. And if your stove top is not really this dirty like mine was, the rings, it was really bad because I keep on putting it off. I'll clean it with just the Dawn soap and the vinegar. But this time around, I needed something hard to clean all that stuff off. So I put the paste all over, just apply it with my hands. And the most important thing with the glass stove top, you don't want to scratch it. So you don't want to use chemicals or anything that will scratch. And that's why I was applying it with my hands. And just making sure that you apply everywhere. And then I wet the Scrub Daddy. And then let's get it clean. Just scrub it in circular motion. So I did that just to check, checking if it's not scratching. Like I said, it's my first time using the pink stuff paste. So I had to actually check it out, making sure that it's not scratching the stove. So scratch, not scratch, scrub in a circle motion the whole place. And like I said, it was really dirty with the rings, and I use mainly the two big burner. That's the one I use because I cook a lot. and I barely use the two little ones. I feel like I use the one I'm scrubbing right now, and then the two big ones. The other one once in a while, but yeah. So I had to make sure that it's not scratching, and not only that, those stains were coming out. Those food stains, especially on the larger burner, were there. And I said I keep putting it off. I'll try the vinegar and the other vinegar and the powder. I'll put it overnight, but it did not remove it like I thought, because I did a video couple weeks ago. It did not remove anything. So let's see this time around if anything was removed. Like you can see, I was still scrubbing it. So I was still scrubbing it because it did not come off like I thought. And I felt like I had something else that I had to resort to, but I wanted to try this one first. I think if your stove is not bad, as this bad that it was mine, you can just go off with the Scrub Daddy and the Pink Stuff Paste and the Dawn, and you are good. But I had to scrub it a couple times. But I think I'm going to need more things than this. So thank you for watching. If you watched this far and have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'm a mom. I'm a working mom. I try to do content around working moms. I do motivation. It's really hard as moms working, keeping a household together. And check out my videos. I have some stress, depression, and how to take care of yourself after having a baby. So all that stuff is on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like the video. So it looks like I was done. I wanted to see how it looks like, because it's looking like it cleaned. Don't get me wrong, the Pink Stuff cleaned, but did it clean up to my standard? Did it take off all the stuff that I wanted to? So let's check it out. So before we check it out, I just wanted to clean just on the side of the stove. One of these days I need to pull the whole oven like on the side. So this is how it looks like. It cleans really well, but my problem was not only to clean, but to get rid of all those rings that you can see there. So it cleans really well. The Scrub Daddy, the Pink Stuff, and the other stuff cleaned, but that ring is from food. If you cook too much, you left it in and you didn't clean it. So I'm going to need something stronger, something that is made for this glass stovetop, which is the Whitman cooktop cleaning kit. So let's see if this is going to remove. Watch this video.